Hello, this is Wakas with MobileSentrix, and this is Device Box. We know how important device sales are for stores, and we also know that shops are looking to be different than the regular Facebook marketplace. At the same time, every shop's trying to make sure that, hey, when a customer walks through their door, that they're wowed by the devices selection they have and the presentation. So for that, we're introducing Device Box. As you can tell, our previous boxes were very nice, very clean, but we're always looking to improve. And for that, we've decided to present our devices in a beautiful, clear packaging. It's presentable to the customer, easy to see the color, the model, and to be able to be impressing and wowing the customer to make sure that, hey, that they know that this is not the Facebook marketplace device. This is a well-presented, well-organized device. When you receive this device, it would have a grading scale on it from us. However, with a simple peel of the front lens tape, the grading scale can be peeled right away. So we know that the device sale doesn't just end at just a device for the customer. We need to get this customer fully kitted. We need to make sure this customer walks out of the store with a cable, a charger, and to be able to beautifully present that. And for that, we're introducing Device Box. So Device Box will allow shops to buy an accessory kit to be able to upsell the customer. If the customer walks in the store and you're trying to present him with this beautiful device and the customer is willing to buy a charger, you can upsell him on saying, hey, well, you do offer an option for carrying the cable or the wall adapter. And if the customer is satisfied with it, you should easily be able to slide the top lid off and to slide the device into a fully kitted device. So now the customer can walk out of the store with a fully presentable box, fully kitted box like it's meant to be sold in a store, with accessories, lens tape, everything ready to go for you. If the customer already is upgrading their device where they already have the accessories, it's okay. You don't have to always sell the device box with the device. Now, our devices don't come with device box. We sell two different options for the device box. One is for $5 for a non-MFI and $10 for a full MFI kit. With the device box, you'll be able to pair which customers needs to their particular sets that they're looking for. I really hope you guys get to experience Device Box and be able to offer customers a better presentation. I'm really excited to be able to take the next level of not just selling devices, but to be presenting our stores at a much better class. I really hope you guys get to enjoy this. Just remember, we have tons of devices in stock. We look forward to hearing your feedback. Thank you. This is Wakas with MobileSentrix. MobileSentrix is on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.